KSB. Technology that makes its mark.
The year was 1871. A German engineer, Mr. Johannes Klein, set ablaze a technology revolution with his invention of the boiler feed apparatus. Mr. Klein, along with Mr. Friedrich Scotzlin and Mr. August Becker, kickstarted a success story we today know as KSB. The company has been improving fluid transport for over 150 years now. Be it superheated steam or freezing cryogens. A pioneer that's trusted on all continents with its sales and marketing arms, manufacturing facilities and service operations. More than 16,000 employees generate consolidated annual sales revenue of more than 2 billion euros. The group has valve manufacturing locations in Frankenthal and Pegnitz in Germany, La Rochelle in France, Burgos in Spain, Echternach in Luxembourg, Dalian and Changzhou in China, Busan in South Korea, and Coimbatore and Kochi in India. Thus living up to its core value of globalization. The biggest control valve manufacturing facility of KSB is located near Kochi in Kerala, India. It all started in 1984 when a joint venture between Keltron and Best & Crompton was established under the name Mason Hale India Limited in Kerala to supply critical control valves for the process industries. After 10 years of the license agreement, the company was rechristened as MIL Controls Limited. In 1997, the company was acquired by the KSB Group. Today, the company is known as KSB MIL Controls Limited. Now, let's take a closer look. KSB MIL scaled new heights with excellent in-house R&D capabilities, modern design tools like CFD, computational flow dynamics, using which major designs are optimized and validated. The advanced test facilities, including a fully automated flow lab, have helped KSB MIL's engineers contribute amazing breakthroughs to customers in radical valve designs for a variety of liquids, gas, and steam operating at extreme conditions. Today, KSB MIL is one of the technology leaders in control valves, thanks to its state-of-the-art innovation center. This has truly enabled KSB MIL to meet the challenging needs of the process industry. When customers describe their needs, we listen intently. Our engineers have an ingrained acumen, which helps us deliver more value with optimal efficiency. Their knowledge, skills, creativity, and dedication contribute in enhancing and delivering superior technological solutions in fluid handling and control. And to assist them, at KSB MIL, we have a unique process that helps engineer solutions. A customized application engineering tool, called Solutioneering. One that helped pioneer the concept of advanced sizing solutions to Indian process industries, and introduced during the 1980s, for the first time. Low-noise anti-cavitation trim designs in India. An example of this amazing solutioneering capability is the Matrix series, the multi-stage, multi-path axial flow control valves, designed to kill up to 500 bar of pressure in 40 stages. KSB MIL has 2 well-equipped plants, with a total plant built-up area of approximately 10,000 square meters, for manufacturing control valves, tailored to suit customer requirements. The large valve plant, built with a handling capacity of 16 metric tons, caters to large control valves, typically used for supercritical thermal and nuclear power plants, refineries, and fertilizer units. KSB MIL employs the best machines and processes that guide each component through the manufacturing process, using advanced CNC techniques for producing the valve bodies and internals in accordance with international standards. The intricate valve parts, manufactured with precision, are assembled in the plant's highly methodical assembly shop. Apart from high-pressure test benches for pressure and leakage testing, the testing facilities including helium leak measurement for fugitive emission monitoring, high-pressure gas test facility, cryogenic test rig, clean room etc., creates the product in alignment with the design. The quality control department takes care that only the very best valves leave the plant. Quality assurance and quality surveillance methods ensure compliance with the highest international standards. Besides being an ISO 9001, 14001 and 45001 certified organization, KSB-MIL products also are CE and SIL qualified. KSB-MIL's high-performance control valves cater to normal and severe service applications in thermal and nuclear power stations, oil and gas fields, refineries, chemical and petrochemical plants, fertilizer units, and a wide spectrum of other industries. KSB-MIL's 91000 Matrix Series multi-stage, multi-path, axial flow control valves for boiler feed pump recirculation service, or the multi-stage axial flow control valves in the MIL 78000 series, are examples of how world-renowned EPC contractors as well as thermal and nuclear energy producers trust KSB-MIL's control valves for the energy sector. Nuclear power demands the highest levels of safety. For the last 2 decades, KSB-MIL has been supplying control valves and bellow-sealed valves, required for both primary and secondary cycles of nuclear power plants. KSB-MIL is proud to have contributed to the nation-building process by indigenously developing and manufacturing critical control valves for the ongoing and futuristic projects in the country, including pilot projects for the upcoming advanced ultra-supercritical projects. With an experience spanning over 3 decades, and an installed base of over 100,000 control valves, KSB-MIL is a prominent player in the refinery sector across the globe. Approved by most oil and gas industry giants in the Middle East region and elsewhere, KSB-MIL control valves feature in most of the major projects like the Dangote Oil Refinery Project, KNPC Clean Fuel Project etc. Global EPC giants, oil, and fertilizer companies trust the performance of KSB-MIL's control valves, and we have certainly lived up to their expectations. With the kind of design marvels like KSB-MIL's special anti-surge pneumatic circuitry in the arsenal, we also help to protect critical rotating equipment like compressors. When injecting water into oil fields, where clogging due to entrained particles like sand poses a new challenge, customers like Kane Energy regularly use our technology to overcome challenges in this sector. High-pressure ammonia and carbonate solution letdown are yet another applications in the fertilizer segment for which designs like multiple-stage labyrinth control valves, especially under heavy flashing and low temperatures, are successfully used. KSB-MIL's cryogenic control valves, designed to function in extremely low temperatures, feature in LNG and petrochemical units, or for the ground testing facilities in rocket propulsion centers of Indian Space Research Organization. KSB-MIL not only supplies control valves, but also ensure that they are maintained satisfactorily. Whether you are completing a scheduled turnaround, or are faced with an unexpected repair, you need to get things back up and running quickly and safely. With a wide network of sales and service offices, a robust aftermarket KSB SupremeServe team is always poised for action at our customers' call by offering services such as timely service assistance, recommending spare parts, on-site repair, commissioning assistance and necessary refurbishment of products. This is augmented by regular customer training programs on sizing, design, and selection for control valves. KSB's goal is to develop innovative product solutions that are energy efficient. Demand for energy and the requirements of environmental protection is increasing. KSB-MIL also contributes to the environment by actively developing low-emission control valve gland seals and bellow seal valves. We understand our responsibility to the environment and society. Initiatives like rainwater harvesting, low carbon footprint production processes, and conscious green initiatives are given due importance by the management while expanding the infrastructure. We, at KSBMIL, believe in giving back to the very society that has supported its growth over the past many decades. As a part of KSB's social responsibility, through the KSB Care Charitable Trust, KSBMIL has been focusing on women empowerment and child development, providing amenities to local schools, health facilities, women empowerment community, to name a few. Innovating with new possibilities, challenging the scenarios, frequent updating, and customizing ourselves towards increased efficiency to meet the varied customer requirement is the key to our success. Constant innovation, reaching out to customers, through a global leader in pumps and valves like KSB, will make KSBMIL among the world's most sought-after name in flow control.
KSB. Technology that makes its mark.